Alright, so where the quadratic crosses the x-axis are the factors. So if it is crossing at 2, 0 and -1, 0, if these are the factors, the factors are at -1, 0, and 2, 0. If these are the factors, which is where it's crossing the x-axis, they are also the solutions. As in x equals -1 and x equals 2. Those are the solutions. The factors form the solutions. And so you're going to write this as x plus 1 and x minus 2 equals y. So this is the factored form of the quadratic. You have pencil and paper? Don't look like it. You need a notebook for school or something. Alright. So where the parabola crosses the x-axis are the solutions. The solutions help form the factors. This is the factor form for this quadratic based on the solutions. Everybody understand that? Any questions on that? Alright, here's what that's going to look like. I'm not going to move it. Yes, ma'am. Come over here. Look in that closet on the right-hand side in the box. Alright, so here is the graph in factored form. You can see that it crosses the x-axis at -1 and it crosses the x-axis at 2. So the factors are written as opposites. The factors are written as opposites. Factors are written as opposites. Say it. Factors are written as opposites. Say it. Yep. Factors are written as. Factors are written as. Factors are written as. Okay. Factors are written as opposites. This little point right here that I like to refer to as the nipple is called the vertex. The vertex for this function, I put it in Desmos, is at 0.5, -2.25. This is H and this is K. Alright, so the vertex is at 0.5 and -2.25. This is your H and your K. Vertex form. On the formula sheet, if you look at the orange paper, it'll say vertex form. Vertex form is, let me find the Georgia algebra formula sheet. Alright, I found one. Looks like Richmond County in Georgia have the formula sheet online. So you see I'm not making this stuff up. Okay. We are on the vertex form. This is a little different layout. Vertex form right here. Write this down. Y equals A parentheses X minus H squared plus K. Where H and K are the ordered pair for the vertex. Alright, so now I'm going to write that down right here. If we can go up 1 over 1 from the vertex, we'll say that A is 1. I know that A is 1 because we already put it in factored form. So the vertex form for this, if you know that this is the vertex, you should be able to write it in vertex form. It is going to be Y equals parentheses X minus 0.5 squared minus 2 1/4. Let me write that again. Y equals parentheses X minus 0.5 squared minus 2 1/4. There's the vertex form. Now, if you need to get that into standard form, we use Desmos graphing calculator and we add the line of regression. And the line of regression is not a quartic, it is quadratic. So I'll take this graph and I'll click the settings button, add the table. Once you have the table, click add regressions, change linear regression to quadratic. So now the standard form, which I call STD form for abbreviating, is Y equals X squared minus X minus 2. And I'm going to put add the line of regression. Alright, let me move this over out of the way. Questions?